At the count of 2, step back.
Dudumihan yung
Step back. At the count of 3, make body. At the count of 4 and 1, we will have the cha-cha walk. 4 and 1. Okay, let's do it again. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now we will do the backward of the side touchdown, cha-cha walk. Then step 2. Step forward. Hey. Forward step. Forward step. Then first body again. Then cha-cha walk to the back. Cha-cha-cha. Okay. Okay, we will do it 2 times, okay? 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1. Next. The next exercise is the side cha-cha step. It is similar to the basic cha-cha walk. We will walk sideways. Okay. Let's start. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Then step forward. 2, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Okay, you got it. Let's do it again 2 times, okay?
Go, Tiamal.
Okay. 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1. Okay. Another step that I will teach today is the spot burn.
Dami naman.
Spot burn. From the word 2, 3, 4, and 1. The next step now is the spot burn, cross, turn, and then do a side cha-cha walk. Do you get it? We do it slowly. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, cross. Cross, cross, turn, cha-cha-cha. Okay. Now we do the 3 steps together. First, we will do 2 basic cha-cha walk, 2 basic side cha-cha step, and 2 side cha-cha step with fast turn. Okay?
Music.
Now, let's go.
Yung music wala pa.
Okay, 5, 6, 7.
Wala pa mamaya.
Oh, here.
Meron ka ba ng poker face?
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3. Now, cha-cha-cha step. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. 2, 3,
Karen, no?
cha-cha-cha.
Si Karen, no?
2, 3, cha-cha-cha. Now, we combine it with faster. Faster, cha-cha-cha.
Partner niya ni Bessie.
Cha-cha-cha is faster, cha-cha-cha.
Sige nga, gawin mo kita.
Okay. The last step, I will combine it with a side cha-cha step. It goes like this. 2, 3, 4, and 1, New York.
Ah.
Okay.
Again. 5, 6,
Baga lang.
7, 8. 2, 3, 4, and 1, New York.
Ay, siya. Alien.
2, 3, 4, and 1, New York. Okay. Please sing,